What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about EVGO. If you remember my last video, I showed you how we were forming this cup and handle. So we have our cup here. We came down, formed our handle, and slowly started to come up. And I did say that we were going to break out probably this week or next week and touch that 13 to 16. I do believe we touched somewhere around that 1275. And I do believe this thing has a lot more room to run, and I'm going to show you why. And I'm also going to try to put out a video every single day until this thing squeezes. So you're not going to want to miss any of that. So please head on over and subscribe. So let's just get right into this. It looks like EVGO has just announced a new partnership with Meyer. So they're going to be installing these charging stations all across the Midwest. I do believe that's supposed to happen sometime this summer. So that's going to be really good. So I'll leave a link in the description below and you can check out this article if you'd like. And then we'll head on over here to the short interest. If you remember last video that I put out, I said we were sitting somewhere around 27.52% short interest. We're currently sitting at 30.58. So they're still short in this thing. Days to cover is extremely high at 6.17. Typically, that means at a high number, it could be a good signal for a short squeeze. It doesn't mean it will. And again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I'm just some guy on the internet. So I just wanted to share that all with you guys. Head back on over here to the chart. We'll go to the 5 minutes, see how we're doing. And it looks like we're sitting at about $12.09. So we're not doing too bad on the day. We could pull back a little bit and next week, but we'll take that day by day. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. That's all I have in this video, and we'll see you next time.